Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we're going to learn My Shot from Hamilton. If you like my channel, click subscribe below if you'd like to see some more beginner lessons. This is a beginner lesson, even though the song may sound a little challenging. If you would like to sign up for some free lessons, and I will have all the tablature, all the stuff you need to get started with a bunch of different popular songs that are coming out. I got a lot of Billie Eilish songs, plus some classic rock songs. I'll have all of the Hamilton songs coming up as well. And if you sign up for these free lessons, then you'll also be added to the waiting list to get started with my course that's coming out in the next week. So this week is the pre-sale for this course. So go ahead and get on the list so that you will make sure that you have a spot for that course that's coming up. All right, let's get started with this one. Like I said, this is a pretty easy part. Only uses single strings, and I'm going to do a couple of different versions of this one. I'm going to show you how to play a lot of different parts on the guitar, from the chords in the background to the piano part, kind of the lead part that happens in the background. But today we're going to do the part that's actually on the guitar, but it doubles the bass part a little bit. And it's a really easy song for beginners, and it works on getting used to moving around on the fretboard a little bit and playing some different rhythms. So let's talk through it. The very first note that you're going to do for this one is called a G. It is on the 3rd fret of the low E string. So it's right here. All right. Then you're going to go after that to A. But you're going to do that really fast. So it's like G, A, then B flat. So G, A, B flat. Then it goes to B, C. So B, C, then D, E flat, then D. So let's go through that one more time. G, 2, 3, A, B flat, then B, C, then D, E flat, D, one more time. G, A, B flat, B, C, D, E flat, D. So one at a time. So this is the G. Then the next one is A. So that's just the open A string. Then B flat. Then B. Then C. Then D. Then E flat. And then ends on D, just like that. And if you notice, each time the notes are getting higher, so it goes up. And there's a lot of different rhythms that they play with this one. So there's this one that's just kind of holding the notes out. So it's like A, B flat, B, C, D, E flat, D. Or they also do the notice they go in the same order every single time. So just get used to that order of notes and you'll get the rhythms as they come. And then they also have this one that's a little more constant, and this one might be the trickiest one of them all because you kind of have to change the rhythm in the middle. So it goes one thing that helps me when I'm doing that one is for the notes that repeat, I'm doing downstrokes. So it's like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So those little notes in between. So those little notes in between just do an upstroke, and that kind of helps me keep my picking pattern. So downstrokes on the ones that are longer, then upstroke. Okay, and that'll kind of help you keep your picking pattern together. Because one of the hardest things when you're doing those kind of syncopated rhythms that are kind of off of the beat like this one is, one of the hardest things to do is keeping your picking consistent. And so you want to have a plan to know what you're picking so that you can catch back up with it. And because one of the things that will get you off beat really, really fast is when you lose track of when you're doing upstrokes or downstrokes or things like that. A lot of the times you don't need to think about it, but this is one of the cases where it can really throw you off if your picking pattern gets off. All right, guys, stay tuned for the tablature that goes along with this, and it will it'll be a up to speed version, so you maybe practice this a couple of times before you do it with the tablature. And in the free lessons, I'll have a slower version of the tablature that you can follow along with too. All right, guys, click subscribe below, and don't forget to sign up for the free lessons. See you next time.